crossing Canada in 3 minutes or less. Go! Oh my god, you're so temperamental. What is up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. Jessica here. This past September, I had the great opportunity of being an artist on board the Via Rail train from Toronto to Vancouver. So Janelle and I packed up our bags and our instruments and we got on the train for 5 incredible days across Canada, playing shows 3 times a day. And I took some footage while we were on the train of all of my favorite parts of being on the train. So first of all, we crossed Canada and it's freaking gorgeous. Here is crossing Canada in 3 minutes or less. Go!
We're in Cape Real, Ontario.
Attention please. The next 13 kilometers, the train will following the shore of Moose Lake. Moose Lake is one of the largest lakes in the Canadian Rockies, and it's so deep as to sit bottomless with an average depth of over 300 feet. Ladies and gentlemen, Moose Lake.
For watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed crossing Canada with me in 3 minutes or less. If you like this video, please give it a little thumbs up. Please subscribe. I'll see you soon.